Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my most requested video and that is my jewelry staples. जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालती हूँ चाहे वो YouTube पे हो या फिर Instagram पे, आप लोग मुझे bombard कर देते हो with DMs, comments and messages asking me about my jewelry. So here I am going to share with you guys all the jewelry that I have got and ये वाला जो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ most of them are new purchases ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले कि मैं कहाँ से ली हूँ. Most of them are from Instagram stores. तो सारे pages की link and सारे products की link मैं description box में डाल दूंगी and similar items की link भी मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना. तो I have a lot of jewelry. कई सारे तो मैंने पहन रखा है. So these are mostly all the jewelry that I have and that I mostly wear. These are like iconic, staple and classics. So yeah, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. Let's start with neck pieces. I am not a very huge fan of necklaces and chain. अगर ऐसे dainty piece अगर बोलोगे तो हाँ मैं पहन लूँगी. So when it comes to necklaces, I try to go for something that is very dainty, एकदम नाक के बराबर ही दिखे, but I have something on, and that's when I love this sort of very fine dainty jewelry that just amps up your look. You look so good, so elegant and gracious. Daily wear के लिए अगर आपको छोटा सा कुछ भी add on करना है, then I will say that this kind of simple just one strand वाले neck pieces helps a lot. आप कुछ पहन के भी रख रहे हो, you look absolutely gorgeous, गला खाली नहीं लग रहा है, and it just looks so nice and so very gorgeous. So this is a kind of necklace that you can wear and it will just look so very gorgeous. But अगर आपको ऐसे necklaces चाहिए जिनके अंदर छोटा सा tiny detailing हो, छोटा सा pendant हो, then I will recommend something like this. I've gotten this from Jiva. मैंने Jiva का अलग से haul कर रखा है, आप लोग जरूर जाकर check कर सकते हो. वहाँ मैंने showcase किया as to how beautiful the jewelry is. It's very dainty and very delicate, looks absolutely gorgeous. So तब मैंने ये वाला piece लिया था. It's a very beautiful evil eye का dainty piece right here. छोटू सा detailing है आप देख पा रहे हो and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. अगर छोटा सा detailing चाह रहे हो अपने neck pieces पे, then आप इस तरीके का detailing वाले छोटू सा dainty neck piece या फिर necklace ले सकते हो and you can adjust it accordingly. इस तरीके से आप ऐसे इन्हें पहन सकते हो and it will just look absolutely gorgeous. And I will recommend कि इस तरीके का थोड़े से महंगे वाले jewelry जो anti tarnish है, stainless steel है, gold plated वाले हैं, उन्हीं को लो. अदरवाइज पैसे ज़्यादा खर्च होंगे. अगर आप सस्ते वाले ज्वेलरी लेते हो देन आफ्टर लाइक अ मंथ और सो सारे काले पड़ जाएंगे, टार्निश हो जाएंगे, तो आपको क्या होगा ना कि आप ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च कर रहे हो. तो इन दिस केस आप क्या कर रहे हो ना कि एक ही बार में ले रहे हो. दोज आर लाइक एंटी टार्निश, स्टेनलेस स्टील, वाटर प्रूफ, तो आप डेली वेयर कर पा रहे हो एंड खराब भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सेव मनी एंड कंटिन्यू लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. मेरे पास और एक ऑप्शन है in terms of minimal dainty neck piece and that is this very beautiful all over detailing वाला necklace right here. I got this from the brand Ethnic Andaz. मैं सारे pages के link description box में डाल दूँगी, आप लोग जरूर check out कर लेना. So this is what I've got and it's a very beautiful neck piece right here. Again very minimal, very 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 dainty. पूरे के पूरे necklace में coffee beads का डिटेलिंग दिया गया है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है. सो इफ़ यू हैव समथिंग दैट इज़ वेरी मिनिमल लाइक दिस राइट हियर, जो कि सिर्फ एक डिटेलिंग है, दैट इज़ द पेंडेंट, एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस यू कैन लेयर इट अप, मेक अ वेरी गुड कॉम्बो एंड वेयर इट. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है. एंड व्हेन आई गो अहेड एंड जस्ट लेयर दिस अप, oh my god, it just looks so nice and so very beautiful. तो इस तरीके से आप beautifully layer करके बिल्कुल पहन सकते हो. This is another way to how you can accessorize all the stuff all together without actually looking like a clown. So don't go overboard and ज़्यादा minimal भी मत रखना, balance out करने का कोशिश करना. So this is what I have in terms of neck pieces which I absolutely love. Now let's go ahead and jump on to bracelets, and I've been loving a lot of bracelets. So बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगते हैं when you go ahead and pair them with your watches. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. Initially मेरे पास 3 bracelets थे, but मैंने एक को पहनने के टाइम मैंने तोड़ दिया. I've ordered few more, but the ones that I have, they are absolutely gorgeous. एक chain detailing का है, and then I have this that is like a bangle sort of detailing. So the first one right here looks like this, absolutely gorgeous. I am someone with a very narrow wrist, so इस तरीके का ये fit होता है. I have to adjust it a bit, and then this is how it is going to look like. काफी beautiful है, and it just adds that sort of elegance, and आपका हाथ खाली नहीं लग रहा है, and that's how it just looks so very nice and so very gorgeous. So if you want to wear something on an everyday basis, and अगर आप चाह रहे हो ना कि हाथ खाली ना लगे, so you can go ahead and wear something like this. Just adds a bit of detailing, and you look so nice and so put together. So this is how the first bracelet looks like, and then I have another one, and this is how it looks like. This is the chain detailing wala bracelet, and this is how it looks like. So this is how you can go ahead and pair your bracelets with your watches, and काफी beautiful लगता है. So yeah, this is how easily you can go ahead and what to say, glam up and accessorize your plain boring outfits in the most beautiful and easiest manner. So a lot of times, a lot of basic outfits can be elevated just by wearing and balancing out your jewelry and accessories, and this is the easiest way you can stack up, layer your jewelry, and look the very best. Now let's move on to rings. I have these 3 beautiful rings which I absolutely love, and this is my most used ring, and this is how it looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना खूबसूरत ring है. I just absolutely love this ring. You have seen me wearing this ring I think hundreds of my videos, because I just love how it totally puts together the whole hand wala look, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. This is alright, it looks fine, but the moment I go ahead and wear the ring, it just adds that elegance, that detailing all over again, and just makes sure that my hand looks absolutely gorgeous. जब आप बात कर रहे होते हो वीडियो पे, जब आप चीजें दिखा रहे होते हो ना, a lot of times hands आते हैं कैमरे पे, so you have to put in that sort of detailing कि हाँ हाथ भी अच्छा लगे कैमरे के सामने. So that's when rings, they come to rescue, and they look so nice and so put together. Next ring that I have is from the Coffee Bean collection. मैंने एक ही साथ rings, bracelet, neck piece and earrings मैंने लिया था, सारे के सारे Coffee Bean के style में. So this is what I have. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So आप देख पा रहे हो, the first one right here looks like this. It's a very beautiful Coffee Bean sort of like ring. Best part is that it is adjustable. काफी खूबसूरत लग रहा है, much better than how it was before, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. A lot of detailing comes to play, and it just looks absolutely nice and so very gorgeous. And the second Coffee Bean ring that I have is this right here. बहुत ही सुंदर रिंग है, आप देख ही पा रहे हो, काफी सुंदर रिंग है. So again, it is adjustable, and it is just so very gorgeous like this. Oh my god, it just looks so nice and so very dainty. आप देख ही पा रहे हो कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है. Now let's move on to my most favorite category, and these are earrings. I just love earrings. I can never get enough of buying earrings. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I think I just own like hundreds of them, but I will never get enough. So these are most of the items that are newly purchased, and these are something that's so dainty and so like classic pieces, and these are all the earrings that I've been currently wearing. Okay, my first earring is a classic gold hoop earring, and this is how it looks like. It has this very matte gold finish that just looks absolutely gorgeous. I just love how it looks, and it's so lightweight, just amps up the whole look and looks so nice and so very gorgeous. So this is how it looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो छोटू सा है. So if you're starting out with anti-tarnish jewelry, just go for things like this. Okay, you will never get bored and never get disappointed, because they look so nice and so very gorgeous. Start with these basic hoops, and you will absolutely fall in love with them. Now let's go ahead and move on to a lot of like half hoop earring, and this is a very recent purchase जो मैंने H&M से लिया था. सेल चल रहा था H&M का, and that's when I saw this and I had to get it. Although it's not like anti-tarnish, but मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. It was like $1.99 on a sale, and that's why I just went ahead and grabbed it. It's not fully hoop, but half hoop है, आप देख पा रहे हो, and it's so thick and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. My love for chunky hoop earrings will never die, and that's the reason I went ahead and got another chunky hoop earring, and this is something that I just had to buy. The moment I saw this on the Instagram page that I usually buy my jewelry from, I was like, ये पहले आपने क्यों नहीं लाया? And I just immediately had to go ahead and buy it. So this is what the chunky, huge chunky hoop earring looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो, काफी chunky hoop earring आप देख पा रहे हो, half hoop, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is something that I've been wanting for a long time, and finally I have it. You have seen me wearing this particular earrings in a lot of my videos because I just love this sort of earrings, and it just goes so much with anything and everything. चाहे आप basic पहन लो, चाहे आप stylish लगना चाह रहे हो, चाहे आप minimal रखना चाह रहे हो, it just goes with anything and everything, with every makeup, with every outfit. थोड़ा सा heavy है in comparison to all the others that I have, obviously because of the size as well. It's quite large and quite chunky, and that's the reason it's kind of like heavy. But again, it's very good quality. सारे के सारे जो भी anti tarnish वाले material वाले हैं ना, बहुत ही अच्छी quality के हैं. This is easily like 6 months old or something like that, more than 6 months. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, not even a single like scratch or tarnishing, nothing. It is intact, okay? And that's the only reason I want to go ahead and spend on good jewelry, especially this anti-tarnish one, because these are not going to tarnish and fade away. But now let's jump on to the most beautiful and fashionable earring that I have. I don't think it's like anti-tarnish, but quality इनके बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. So the first one that I have is this right here. This is such a beautiful piece. It just gives you that pop of color. इस तरीके का आपके पास चटाकेदार, थोड़ा सा चटाकेदार चीजें and colors होने चाहिए ताकि आप बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगो. Crystal sort of detailing है, आप देख पा रहे हो, and it just looks so nice and so very gorgeous. And lastly, the fancy sort of earring that I have is the one that I'm wearing. आप देख पा रहे हो, again crystal drop earring detailing है, and it just looks so nice and so very gorgeous. And lastly, let me share with you guys my most beautiful and dainty item that I got from Jiva जब मैंने ये evil eye necklace लिया था, and I got the same beautiful earring, and this is the very beautiful evil eye earring that I got from Jiva. This is what the beautiful evil eye earring looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो, such a delicate piece right here, and all of the Jiva का jewelry are like silver and they are gold plated as well, so they are again not going to get tarnished and get bad. Jiva in fact lifetime plating भी देते हैं, so you can send them back and get it plated and receive them back and आप इन्हें दोबारा पहन सकते हो. So these are all the pieces that I've been loving and that I've been wearing, and I just love them to the most. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys like it. सारी चीज़ें की लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, सारे पेजेस, प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स, सिमिलर आइटम्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना. And I will see you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care and